In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Figma with Asana so you can streamline your design to development workflow, attach real-time Figma files to tasks, and keep your team perfectly aligned. Let's begin. Now, for you to be able to connect these two, you can simply go to your Asana account, okay, and then hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon. From here, I want you to click the settings, and in the settings tab, I want you to click the apps. In the apps section, you just have to hover down below where you can see the option that says see all apps. From here, you just have to search for Figma. If you are having problems searching for it, you can use the Ctrl+M function and type in Figma. But as you can see, I have already the Figma below here. And click the Learn More. What will happen is this will forward you to a new page. Remember earlier, you need to make sure that you have your both accounts ready so that whenever you click the Install Asana for Figma, that's going to be a lot easier and smoother because you have already logged in for both accounts. And from here, if you click the Try This widget, what will happen is you can attach live Figma designs directly to Asana tasks. Your team will always see the latest version, no more outdated screenshots. You can preview designs without leaving Asana, and it keeps everything clean, clear, and connected. And with that being said, basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.